Evernote tutorial for beginners. In this video, I will show you how to use Evernote as a complete beginner. First, when you go to evernote.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. Over here, you can see that they have a sign up for free button. This is because they have a free plan that you can use if you don't want to buy. They also have paid plans which get you more features. So over here, you can see some of their features and options to basically skyrocket your workflow. And they have three basic plans. But before we go into these plans, let's take a look at Evernote's free features that we get in their free plan. So I'm gonna simply log in into my account, and then after that, I'll catch you guys in 1 second. As soon as you guys have signed up, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So over here, we can see that what brings you to Evernote. Let's choose work, and then we click next, and then I choose the web browser and phone. So I click next. How do you plan to use Evernote? I'm going to be choosing meeting notes, project planning, and to-do list. And then next. So we found these plans we think you'll like. So as I have said earlier, we are going to continue with the free plan. So over here, you also have the option to create a new note. So if I were to click on create a new note, I will simply be taken over to the new note section. Here you can see all the features and options that you get while creating a new note. You can put in paragraph points. You can also add in to-do list, reading list, daily reflection list, and also pictures as well, whatever you please. For example, I'm going to type in things to do after working, just as an example. And then as soon as I put this in over here, I can also put in a description. So we have the task here, and I'm just randomly adding some things like the kitchen, laundry, and then here I'm going to try to type some random things and then show you guys how I can change it into the different features in Evernote. So as you can see, I can type as much as I can, as many as I'd like. Then we have the undo, the redo button. Then I'm just going to select all of this, and then we can change it to different header sizes. We have the large, medium, and small. We can also change the fonts to 6 options here, and I chose monospace. And then we have different sizes as well. The bold button, the italic button, the underline, and we also have the highlight where we can choose from different colors. And then here we have some features. We have the bullet list, the numbered list. We have the checklist as well. And I'm just trying around some different features and just crossing things out. We also have the alignment feature. So as you can see, I'm just playing around here, doing some stuff. So yeah, that's basically the main features of Evernote. Another great feature of Evernote is the fact that you can just simply sync every single one of these notes across all of your devices. So once you have one account on Evernote, as soon as you guys log in that account on your phone or your iPad or your PC or your Mac, all of your notes are going to be synced over on that particular device. Similar to how Google Docs work, whatever you type in the text is going to be synced across devices in real time. Hence, no matter which device you're using, you're going to be seeing the same information. So, as I have mentioned earlier, we also have some features here like adding task, calendar event, the link, a note link, a table, a divider, an attachment, image, checkbox, code block, sketch, or a file from Google Drive. So, here I'm going to be trying to add a table, just adding a table, and then yada yada yada. You can add the values. For example, let's try to add more rows or more columns here. We can basically put anything we want in the table. And also we can also connect it with Google Calendar if we want. And then we can also add some link here. And also we can add some sketches here. So as you can see, I'm just playing around some stuff here, and then we can press done after that and it will be automatically attached to our notepad. If you want to share your notes to your company or some friends or your boss using Evernote, you can just simply click on the share from the top right, and then after that, you can just simply type in the email of the person or simply copy this link and just share this link with your friends or family. And then after that, as soon as they click on this particular link, they will be able to view this particular note in their website or in their phone however they want. So these are just some of the greatest features while using Evernote. On the left side, you guys also have the option to access some notes through a shortcut. Below, you can see all of your tasks, and as soon as you complete those tasks, you can just simply mark them as complete. So that is how easy it is for you guys to simply start using Evernote. Now, if you want to add any particular note into your Shortcuts tab, simply click on these three buttons when the note is open, and then after that, click on Add to Shortcut, and now that particular note is going to be added to Shortcut. Once you have thousands of notes, you can just simply add them with the shortcut, and you will be able to open that particular note. Then you also have the option to find notes through tags as well. So let's say you have notes about a particular class or a particular subject, and as soon as you take notes of that particular subject, no matter how many notes you take, you can just simply put tags. As soon as you put this tag, you will be able to just simplify your search and to make sure that none of your notes are lost and that you have them secured and that you can find them whenever, however you need them. If you accidentally deleted any note, then I can just simply go to trash, and then I can see that the note is over here. I can just pull this note back, or I can just simply copy the contents of this particular note and I can restore it as well. That is how you guys can use Evernote, and I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. And if it was, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and take care. Till next time. Goodbye.